Hello guys, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today I would like to show you what is the best filter that I use in StreamLabs OBS in audio setting. Okay, firstly you open your StreamLabs. After you open your StreamLabs, then you go to the gear, this icon. You press it, then you will see filter. I chose 3 filter to put in my microphone. Then you will see noise suppression, noise gate, and compressor. Okay, I will tell you a little bit about the noise suppression, noise gate, and compressor. Okay, about the noise suppression, it will eliminate background noise. If you have a very noisy background noise, you need to increase the suppression level. But for me, I just choose the default. Then you need to record and test if it suit for you, and just proceed. Then for the noise gate, okay, noise gate, uh, in the moment of silence, if you are recording your game, but sometimes it will go to silent only. Then it will record only your voice. That's why I need the noise gate. You know, when sometimes you play Apex Legends, the background sound, sometimes high, sometimes low. Uh, at low time, it will record only your voice. Then for the compressor, it will give you the best audio. Okay, for me, it is crucial to get the best audio. If you record, you do not get the best audio, what the point you record it, right? So I choose noise suppression, noise gate, and compressor. Done. So I hope that uh you can apply those filter to your microphone and try to record it. If it is suit for you, then it is very nice to help you out. So I hope that you enjoy this kind of content. Please give me like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and share to your friend that they have a StreamLabs OBS or OBS Studio. This is the same thing only. You can apply the same filter to the OBS Studio also. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.